Hi everyone, so welcome back to the eye makeup series. And from today onwards, we are starting the eye makeup. And today I will teach you the smoky eye from the gel liner Forever 52 with shade number GT002. And it comes in the shade darkest brown. And with the help of smudging brush, I'm going to apply it over my eyelid. Now, with the help of blending brush, taking the brown eyeshadow, blending it out in the downward direction or the circular movement. As you can see, this is how we going to blend it. It's the first video after liner tutorials, and from today onwards, we will continue the all levels of eye makeup through which you will master your art in eye makeup. So keep going with us. Now you can see how beautifully it turned out. Again, we are going to take the black eyeshadow with the help of smudge brush, as you can see, to give in the more depth over the eyelid. And with the help of blending brush, we are going to blend it. You can see, trying to merge all the crease lines, making it more natural. Keep remember, in smoky eye you need to blend in downward direction. Now again taking the big blending brush to blend out the crease line, making it more natural. As you can see, here you can see. Now we will highlight the brow bone with the help of highlighter brush, and the highlighter we need to take, that is the PAC ka highlighter. I am using PAC highlighter to highlight the brow bone. Now moving on, next we highlight the inner corner of the eye, and it will look bigger from this technique. Now after lashes you can see the result. Now moving on, next we have to do under eye smudging. For this I am using Forever 52 ka gel liner in the shade GT001 darkest black. Going to smudge it with the help of smudging brush, as you can see. and taking the amount of black eyeshadow, to smudging it out. You can see. Now moving on, next step we have to do mascara to the lower lashes. And the mascara I am using is Forever, sorry, the mascara I am using is Maybelline ka mascara, yellow wala. You can see the final result. Here it is. So thank you so much. We'll meet in next video. Bye bye. Take care.